In this video, we'll go over Radicle. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Radicle to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on August the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Radicle? Radicle is an open-source protocol enabling developers to collaborate in a peer-to-peer and decentralized manner. Similar to centralized code collaboration platforms like GitHub and GitLab, developers can collaborate to code and build dApps on it. That happens through Radicle's peer-to-peer replication protocol called Radicle Link. Radicle Link retains the efficiency of Git while offering global decentralized data repository storage through its peer-to-peer networking layer. Users can spread data through gossip, meaning they retain redundant copies on their computers and share local data with the network. Furthermore, users can fund and manage software projects started by others. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Radicle stands out from its centralized counterparts by offering a global and permissionless network that does not rely on third parties and has no centralized point of failure. This promotes further integration of blockchain technology and enables developers to collaborate on projects built on the Ethereum blockchain. Thanks to Radicle's peer-to-peer nature and public key cryptography, it is trustless by design, unlike centralized platforms relying on UI components and oracles. Radicle exists on top of Ethereum and boasts several features that further its goal of decentralized software collaboration. Radicle orgs are mini-organizations allowing communities to utilize the project's unique features. They also contain modules and pre-coded features that help teams with their development success. With Radicle's attestation system, users link their project identity to their Ethereum addresses. This provides a directory of users and enhances security, since you can share your Radicle ID instead of sharing your Ethereum address. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $6 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.